Well, look at this. Look at this. This is call management, right? Let's look into this thing a little bit more. We'll go to allow notification. That's fine, right? You definitely want to know when you're getting a call, right? Now, look at that. Com.qti service color service. And then look at all this shit. All these are activated with my call service, remote control service, keychain, Moto Care, call management, settings, and Motorola Maya FMK FM WK wrapper. What the fuck is that? I can tell you that dude, I need a lawyer because someone's violating some huge privacy issues here, and this is highly illegal. Seriously, guys, let's look at this. Let's look at some of these on here. Okay? Look at any of these. Com, Bugs to Go. Look up any of these. Chrome homepage. Sprint Dynamic. I mean, this is all. Look up any of these, and these are all files. Files on me. What is this? And why? Bookmarks, demo, rescue, security, Com, LMI, Motorola, Wi-Fi overlay. What the fuck? There's the Com Motorola Maya FM WK wrapper. Look at that. Setup overlay, Sprint roaming apps, data status notification. I mean, radio config, telephony service. This is all companion device manager. What the fuck is this, man? DAX service, DAX user, default print service. I mean, entitlement. Oh, are they fucking entitled to do this? Are they allowed to do that? I mean, is that what it is? Fuse location, Gadget Guardian. This is harassment. Hidden menu. Intent filter verification. Invisible net. That's a good one. Java helper. Lenovo ID. Lifetime data. What is that? Fucking mobile device information provider. Ooh. Wonder who the fuck that is. Mobile ID, mobile installer, modem debug settings, I mean, I need an attorney. Motorola Apps Direct SM Proxy Service. Check-in service. Update MTP host. OMM client provisioning. Org.code Aura IMS. I mean, this is PCO receiver. Well, oh, they didn't like that. Oh, they just, they shot me out of that screen. Oh, they didn't like that. PGM system, phone messaging, phone services. preloaded contacts loader, prime video, print service recommendations, print spooler, programming menu, proxy handler, remote control service, RCSC service, protect, section protect, I'm sure, settings, storage, setup, sprint DM, sprint setup, storage manager, storage optimizer, system update, talkback, time and weather, trusted face, user dictionary, work profile. I mean, this is bullshit, is what this is. This isn't normal, and I'm fucking sick of it. I'm sick of this every day, every hour, for 5 years. I mean, give me a fucking break. I didn't do anything to anyone to cause this kind of bullshit. So, this is what I need. So I need an attorney. Look at that. Android services, shared library, Android OEM overlay, Android system. I've just fucking had it, dude. I've had it. Okay, guys, I just made a video, right? And this is, you ever heard the saying, you got your hand, caught in that cookie jar kind of thing? So then you stop, right? You don't go back. Look at this shit. These things just multiplying. Look at that. Now it's COM backup, conferred carrier configuration, CTS. I can't shut these off fast enough. And then SDM plugins. Look at demo. Now it's the diagnostics mode. Shared setup backup, systems overlay. I mean, now you got a wallpaper backup and the cropper. It just fucking keeps multiplying. So they continue to download this. It doesn't matter. These guys are relentless. They don't give a flying fuck. They don't care. They don't care. Configure, update, configure URI dialer. That wasn't on there. I mean, they're just... Look at this. This is absolute bullshit. I mean, say I just disabled the download manager. You think that'd put a fucking fix everything? I'm not even online. This phone doesn't even have service. I'm not online, and we'll show you that. But yet, shit just keeps appearing. Talk about a fucking backdoor, huh? Motherfuckers. Dude. These guys are cowards. They're fucking cowards, too. Come do this to my face. You fucking weasels. Anyway. So let's disable the download manager, and then let's go over here to just... Look at... I don't have a flying fucking close to a connection. Nothing. There's nothing. There's no fucking bars. There's no Bluetooth up there. There's not a goddamn thing up there. But yet this fucking phone will just keep downloading shit. So, how does that fucking work? Anyway, that's all for now. That was from my lawyer.